What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. As you can see, we're out here once again in the man cave, back in the garage, bringing you guys another video to the channel. In today's video, I'm very excited to film. I'm very excited to bring you guys along with me. We're gonna be installing something really cool and very special on Gold Digger today. If you guys haven't watched my last video, make sure you guys go check it out. I installed a full carbon fiber body kit on Gold Digger. We installed the outer fairing, the saddlebags, the rear fender, the front fender, the side panels, basically everything besides the inner fairing and the fuel tank is now all carbon fiber on Gold Digger. And the reason I'm excited to film today's video is because I've had these since August of this year. If you haven't watched my last video, make sure you guys go check that out first before watching this video. We lost over 30 pounds of weight by switching this bike over to carbon fiber. So if you guys haven't watched it yet, make sure you guys go check that out. Also, if you're in the market for carbon fiber, make sure you guys check out Super Gear Performance. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to go check out their website as well. If you guys want to order anything, make sure you use my link in the description because it will save you guys money at checkout. So without further ado, let's hop into the video and I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be installing on Gold Digger today. Let's get it. All right, guys, here it is. Check out the brand new graphics kit going on Gold Digger today. Huge shout out to Faster Moto Decals for making me this custom wrap for Gold Digger. I'll leave a link in the description below to their website. They make custom wraps for many different makes and models. You guys are gonna wanna check them out. There's not many graphics companies on the market making full graphic kits for these Harleys. And I met these guys in Milwaukee when I was in Milwaukee for homecoming, and I really liked the way their graphics kits looked on the bikes that they had on display. And I was like, man, we really need one of those on Gold Digger because the wrap that I had on Gold Digger was cool, but it's kind of played out. I've had it on there for over 2 years now, and I wanted to switch up the look on the bike. I'm really excited to install this graphics kit on the bike today and bring you guys along with me every step of the way, showing you what you have to do to install this graphics kit on a Harley. And I've never installed a graphics kit to this extent on any Harley before, so you guys are coming along with me for my first time, and we're gonna make Gold Digger look better than ever. Check out the detail in this wrap, guys. This is all custom. He makes all these different custom designs on his computer, and he's got all the different templates to fit every panel on the motorcycle. Here's the side of the gas tanks here, side panels here, obviously the side of the fairing, side of the saddlebag. And there's so many pieces here, guys. I couldn't lay it all out on this 6-foot table. There's so many pieces. Top of the saddlebag here. I mean, this goes on the front of the fairing. Looks really cool. It's got like this tribal design in the background. I went with a high gloss overlay on all these graphics because I wanted it to shine. You can order these graphics kits in flat or matte finish, but I wanted the high gloss. Check out the detail. Of course, we gotta have the DOOWORK logo on there. There's an overview of the graphics kit that we're gonna be installing on Gold Digger today. I'm also making this video in case you guys decide to order up a decal kit for your Harley. You guys will now know how to install these graphics on your bike and you won't have to go to a professional installer. I cannot wait to see what Gold Digger looks like once the whole wrap is on. It's gonna look like a whole different bike, and I am super stoked. I'm super excited to see this thing. But enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get this graphic kit installed. So the things we're gonna be using in today's install video is a heat gun, some rubbing alcohol, a microfiber, and a hard card that Faster Moto Decals supplies with their graphics kits. So we're gonna go ahead and start on the front fairing. We're gonna install this nose mid piece here on the right side of the fairing. I went ahead and used some rubbing alcohol to basically get all the spray wax I had on there off. All right guys, first piece laid, went on like butter. Huge thanks to my boy Dom for coming over here to help me wrap this thing today. Can't wait to see what the rest of it looks like. So we're gonna get the rest of the fairing done and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. All right guys, so everything was going smooth with the wrap. As you can see, the bags are all done. We got the vinyl on the saddlebag lid. We got them on the back of the bags here. Everything's symmetrical, looks killer. What do you guys think of the wrap? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. But we got the saddlebags done. We got the front fairing done. And as you can see here, all this turned out really good, very symmetrical. Every piece has been pretty easy to lay, except for the side of the fuel tank here. We're working on the gas tank right now, and you might not be able to tell in the video, but we're struggling to get the vinyl to lay around the tank here. This is like wrapping a basketball, guys. Really hard to get this laying flat without any bubbles or without any fingers in the vinyl. So we're having a heck of a time getting the side of the tanks put on, but huge shout out to Dom for coming over and helping me. He's a PPF king. He actually runs his own company installing clear bra protection film on exotic cars, and he's really good with his fingers. So anyway, we're gonna finesse these tank emblems, the side of the tank here. We're gonna have to use some heat with the heat gun and really finesse the corners around the tank. That's pretty much the only thing we've struggled with so far on this wrap. So I love the way the back of this bike looks now. Once again, huge shout out to Faster Moto Decals for making me this custom wrap for Gold Digger. Loving how this thing turned out. But what do you guys think of the front fairing? Got my number on there, got all the other pieces of the graphic kit installed. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. So while I was over here struggling on the left side, Dom was over here doing work on the right side of the tank. Check it out, guys. I should have just let him do the other side to begin with. It turned out perfect. Here's a good side view of the wrap. I mean, I don't think it could have gotten any more symmetrical and perfect than that. He killed it on the right side. Now he's gotta fix what I broke over here on the left side. This side's really tough, guys. And it doesn't help that I stretched the vinyl out, but Dom's good with his fingers, and he's gonna show us what his talent's all about here and get this left side of the tank installed. Alright guys, we got every piece of the graphics kit laid on the bike except for two last pieces here. And these pieces here are for the tank, and I want your opinion. Do we leave the tank the way it is with just the graphics on the side of the tank and leave the vivid black center? Or do we install the top piece of the graphics kit here? Try to lay it like that. And as you can see, it lines up this line here and that's basically how it would look with that top piece on there. In the comments below, let me know, what do you guys like? Do you guys like this cleaner look, or do you like the graphics on the top of the tank as well? I really am having a hard time with this one, guys. I need your help in the comments below. Let me know what you think. As you can see here, we got the cubby doors wrapped as well. The saddlebags are now complete. We got all three pieces laid on the bag lid and the side of the bags and the back of the bags as well. Turned out really good, guys. I'm really satisfied on the quality of these graphics. They were super easy to install, minus this tank piece here. This was really hard to lay around the tank, but overall, the graphics kit turned out amazing. Huge shout out to Faster Moto Decals for hooking it up once again on this graphics kit. All right, guys, so I made an executive decision and left the graphics off of the top of the tank here. I just think it looks a lot cleaner and flows better with the bike. I felt like it was a little bit too much to have the graphics on the top of the tank there. But honestly, guys, what do you think? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Do you think I should put the graphics back on the tank, or do you think I should leave them off and show the vivid black down the center? It kind of flows with the carbon fender. Obviously, there's no graphics going on the fender, so I just feel like it flows a lot better without the graphics here and right here. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's install of my new wrap on Gold Digger. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know your guys' thoughts on this wrap from Faster Moto Decals. I think it turned out absolutely killer. It's everything I envisioned, and they definitely knocked it out of the park. Currently 26 degrees and snowing outside, so we're not gonna be taking this thing outside today. But I have a lot more things planned for Gold Digger, so you guys are gonna wanna stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you guys hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all my latest content. I have other big plans and big news coming for Gold Digger. I'm actually gonna try to bring both bikes this year to Daytona Bike Week. So that's basically gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you guys are interested in ordering a graphics kit or a full body wrap for your Harley, make sure you guys hit up Faster Moto Decals. I'll put it up here on the screen. I'll also leave a link in the description below for you guys to go check out their website and build your custom wrap for your Harley, guys. Not too many people in the game right now wrapping Harleys, and the vinyl that they use is very high quality air release technology vinyl, so you don't need to use any soapy water, you don't need to use any sort of chemicals when laying the vinyl. As you saw in the video, everything went down dry. They do provide you with a hard card with a like a microfiber or felt tip on it, so that you can lay the vinyl evenly without having any fingers or bubbles in the vinyl. The hardest part obviously was the fuel tank. It's like wrapping a basketball or a bowling ball around that corner. So that was the toughest corner on the whole wrap. But honestly, guys, it wasn't that bad. You guys could definitely install this yourselves in your garage with some rubbing alcohol, a microfiber, a heat gun, and the hard card that they give you to basically lay the graphics. So I just want to give another shout out to my boy Dom for coming over here and helping me wrap Gold Digger today. He's really good with PPF and vinyl. He does that for a living, actually, on exotic cars. So if you guys live in the Metro Detroit area and you want some PPF done on your ride, make sure you hit him up. I'll put his company up here on the screen. I'll also leave it in the description of the video, and hit him up if you want any PPF done on your ride. PPF is paint protection film. So that's the clear bra that goes over the whole car or the front end or the front bumper, whatever you want to do. There's different, options you can go with. He's definitely the best at it. So make sure you guys hit him up if you need some PPF on your ride. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I have a lot of content coming to the channel. I got a lot of videos in the works and in the queue. Also, guys, follow me on Instagram at DOOWORK Motorsports. I'll put it up here on the screen. I tend to post a little bit more on Instagram than I do YouTube, so make sure you guys follow me on there to stay up to date with all my latest content and news. Also, if you guys want to support the channel by buying some merch, I have hoodies, t-shirts, hats, beanies, stickers, and a whole bunch of other stuff on my website at DOOWORKMotorsports.com. Huge shout out to all you subscribers that have been placing orders on my website. I greatly appreciate the support. I've got some things in the works right now, and I can't wait to bring that news to you guys here soon. But that's all for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.